or in the manufacturing industry. So my name is Tony Medina. Sorry, I did not introduce myself, but I'm Tony Medina. I'm the principal here at Palatine High School. We're going to start off with a video. Mr. Gross.
Mr. Timmons, on behalf of the staff and students of all of our schools, and Board of Education President Anna Klunkowitz, who is here with us today, welcome to Palatine High
School. To be here this morning, thank you so much for the invitation, Dr. Small and Principal Medina. Thank you too to the students and teachers for the warm welcome. And it is great to be back at Palatine High School. What you're studying right now and what you're going to study. Well, it matters to employers, I can tell you that.
Okay, what units are you
A lot of people just assume that I have a manufacturing background, which I don't. I have a communications background. And I just think communications and the ability to tell a story or to explain anything and to write really in a compelling way is one of the most important skills anybody can have, because you can apply it.
Yeah, for sure. He talked a lot about how the future of manufacturing involves solving the world's problems, including climate change. We also saw recently with the pandemic that, a big part of that manufacturing contributing, and just a lot of the future problems to be solved in some way by manufacturing. And that just kind of stood out to me.
Everything just functions in the perfect way. I tried making the house match the other houses around the neighborhood. So I tried keeping the turret in the center, keeping the main entrance on the left, and keeping the garage nice and open.